Did you know that over 20 million people have deleted their Facebook account on USA? In this video, you will learn how to permanently delete your Facebook account on a few minutes. Open Facebook app, three line, setting and privacy, settings, account center, find personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion. Select your account. Here we have two options: deactivated account, delete account. We want to delete Facebook account permanently. Select delete account, continue. Here is some questions. Why you want to delete your Facebook account? Choose one of them. I spend too much time on Facebook. Continue. Again continue. Here, if you want to get backup, you can get backup your message or your photo. But I don't want to get any backup. Continue. Enter your password. Continue. Confirm permanent account delete. Okay, delete account.